Hi, good morning. It's Nick Kaiser, Mustache Approved Remodeling, back out here in Gilbert, Arizona. We're checking out the tile progress. Want to show you what's going on. Take a look at this. So you can see at this point, we have the walls just about complete. We got the shelf in, we got the glass shelf in, the niche all trimmed out. All we have left is this pony wall here next to the vanity. And then up top, we have to go around this window with the Schluter edge, that metal edge detail. Next week, we have the countertops going in, and we will get the plumbers back in here to install the faucets and trim out the shower, and we will be down to everything but the mirror and the glass panel. So that takes time to make. Usually when we do these big remodels, we end up having all this done, and we're waiting on that glass panel, because we can't install the glass until we measure what we install on here, because these walls are never 100% true. So if this wall, say on this side, we have control over our pony wall that we built, that half wall right there. So we make that perfectly flat and level. But this wall could be out. If it's out a 1/4 inch or an 1/8 inch, we build the glass accordingly. So we can't just order a piece of glass randomly square and then the wall's out, then we're gonna have a gap at the top or the bottom depending on what the wall's doing. So that gives you an idea of how that kind of works. So it takes, say the job is a 4-week job, we're waiting 10 business days for them to bring that after it's fabricated. So that adds some time to the job, but that's just pretty much industry standard. Show us how it's done, Galindo. Yep, got a break him now. You see how he's going from the side, he follows the grout joint. So you got to be careful, because if you hit it from the side straight down, you have to take the chance of damaging the tile, because it puts too much pressure. But they break easily when you follow the grout joint, because these two little tabs break off pretty easy. So something to think about when you're doing this. But this system actually takes all right tile person and makes them good. A good tile setter makes them great. So I would recommend these to anybody doing large format tile. When it comes to doing small format tile like a subway, some big subways you can do it, but I would say the smaller format tile, you don't need these, because it can go over bends. I mean, you use a mosaic that can do a curved wall, so that they can move and bend, you know, but not these big flat tiles, especially when they have the sharp edges. So if you have a rectified edge, it will always show up if it sticks out a little bit past the other tile, because it's sharp. It makes it stick out. And then when we have these can lights above the shower, that really will make any of the imperfections stick out, because the light shines right down on it. That's why we use these clips. It just gives us the best results we could absolutely have in this situation with the large format tile. So anyway, we'll get this grouted up, and I'll do another video once it's all complete. And Galindo, thanks for the work. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Stay tuned. I want to show you what those countertops look like. This project is going to match the guest bath. But yeah, look forward to showing you. All right, have a good day. Thanks. Bye.